welcome back to my channel. It is Blink and Sticks, etc. It's all about the blink. This is my new eyelash line, guys, that will be coming on the market really soon. My launch should be within the next week or so. I'm excited. It will be eyelashes of all sorts, as well as the glue that comes with it and eyelash brushes, guys. Make sure you support me. And guess what? The stitch, etc. So I'm a very creative person. I like to create all types of things. And I have a Cricut cut machine that I'll be making so many different things with. And just a lot of crafty things with my hands, such as diaper cakes. If you all been watching my channel, you should have seen a couple of the posts about everything that I'm talking about. So I do welcome you to my channel, and I hope to see you really soon. Bye.